Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mooresville, local and long-distance movers near me. We work hard to guarantee that our long-distance moves go smoothly. We not only make sure that no harm occurs, but we also ensure that you get to your destination on time. A long-distance relocation may take you outside of your state or inside it, depending on your goal, and it's a trip of more than 50 miles. We are capable of long-distance journeys. Our resources can withstand the pressure of journeying a far distance as well. We also have excellent relationships with federal and state agencies, making distance relocations easier. We also have insurance coverage to safeguard the customer from potential liabilities during and after the relocation. We also do these to safeguard and guarantee the security and safety of the property while transporting it to its final destination. Our Mooresville movers are more than efficient in this area. They are well trained and have adequate vehicles to transport you and your things throughout the environment. We also can get you there in one piece, no matter how congested your streets are. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour, which is exceptionally affordable. Our drivers are also certified, and we always prioritize our clients' requirements. With us, at the helm of affairs, you don't need to be worried. We can assist you with making your relocation as quickly as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mooresville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.